Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Montclair, New Jersey. Just completed this beautiful corner shower, fully frameless, meaning with clamps. Everything is in Satin Brass Hardware. We have really cool tape there. It's got a corner bead there. And this one we have a tubular handle to make it a little more user-friendly for the kids. That way they're not banging into a 90-degree corner. Because, you know, kids, their heads seem to just bang into things all the time. Again, all the hardware here is in satin brass finish, and this glass is 3/8 inch regular clear tempered glass. This one we didn't do a double acting only because the shower head is a wall mounted one and it comes down at a 45, so we left this as a traditional single operable door, meaning open outwards. And I mean, aside from that, everything went well. The installation took about 2 hours or so. And that's it. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Oh, as a little side note as well, I don't know if you knew, but I have a couple of patent pending products inside the box. This is my care package that I provide to my clients. It's got a squeegee in it, a really good microfiber scrubber, really cool pen with my company information on it. But the highlight of today is my patent pending umbrellas. I know, the glass guy inventing umbrellas, that's pretty weird. But the cool thing about my umbrellas is these are perfect for dog walking because they got a little light on the end of it. And this little tip here can be angled at a 45 so that when you're holding it like this, see, it'll point forward, and this will help you clean up after your dog, as you should be doing when you're walking them. All right, so you'll find this on my website along with our squeegee, also patent pending, all for sale on our website, exceptionalglassllc.com or njglassdoors.com. You'll find these really cool products as well as replacement products for your shower door. All right, so please feel free to take a look at my website. All right, guys, have a good one.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a banner spider will crawl on your face.